Hey, what's up, guys? It's Rolando, your credit coach, with another weekly tip. And this week, I want to talk about why disputing accounts is not enough. I'm getting sick and tired of credit repair companies saying they dispute and remove all types of accounts. And I'm going to say today, disputing accounts is not enough. You can actually do that yourself on Credit Karma, maybe even writing to the credit bureaus yourself. But guess what? Disputing accounts is not enough. The right and the best way to help a client, to help you with your credit, is creating the right strategy. You cannot help someone by only disputing accounts, because there might be some accounts you might have to settle. And if you settle collection accounts, how are you going to remove them from the credit report if they're not willing to give you a deletion letter? How do you handle an account that gets verified? You dispute it that you were late. Maybe you were late, but you want to dispute it. It comes back and they say, you know what, you were late. What are you going to do? What is step number 2? That is the reason why you have to hire a professional or a company that understands the best way to help someone repair their credit is with the right strategy. Disputing accounts is not enough. And that is how most so-called professionals work. They don't give a consumer, the client, the right strategy. They say, I can help you by removing all types of negative accounts, but they're missing the key point in helping you improve your credit. That is strategy. Right, guys? So when choosing a credit repair company, make sure you choose one that has the right strategies in place. See you guys soon. I gotta go.